Today is day one of me turning my Golf GTI into a race car. So step one is we gotta get this spoiler cleaned. I don't know if you can really consider this a spoiler.
Drive car, yes?
By the way, do you guys like my workbench? Porsche 944 rubber spoiler.
Yeah. Using my car like a table.
Okay, so the spoiler is clean enough. I'm gonna let this dry out while we work on the actual spoiler itself, and then I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol, get it ready. Oh. Alright, so we got our spoiler unwrapped. I'm just going to start preparing the surfaces that we're going to glue down with some rubbing alcohol. We have our nice Chinese 3M tape. Let's hope this will hold on to the spoiler. All right, here's the big moment. We're gonna start taking off the little back sides of these, again, Chinese 3M tape. Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely gonna fast forward through this. Okay, we are done. This tape is not very sticky. Silicone.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, this hurts.
There you go. It should be good. Let's not use it all on one side. Good.
All right. I think that's good. All right. We're gonna set the camera up and do the install. So we forgot to film, but I think we got the fitment pretty good.
Jeez, your hands are covered in silicone.
I know.
My side's better. This I think I'm worried that this might be too far compared to mine. I kind of played it safe so that it wouldn't rub. I feel like this might rub, or at least this here will rub. But again, we have sandpaper.
No, I think it's fine, and honestly, it can rub. I don't really care. Okay.
Sure, this is a good idea.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
That's a good enough curve. What's the curve weight of this?
Curve weight.
What the hell is this? Perfect. Now any sort of strong wind will have the spoiler fall off and your glass break.
Sorry for the angle, but this is what we have ended up with.
I think this will turn out very good.
Taped, let me know how I did on fitment. I have a feeling this might rub, to be honest. Is that a Supra? It's getting cold. My hands are filthy, but job well done. We'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you the results. Little side note, this is about an hour later. We checked the forecast and realized that it was going to rain. So we basically made a makeshift tarp, covered it up, extra locked in because this masking tape sucks and my car is really filthy and it's really cold out. So yeah, this is gonna do the job, I hope. Thank you guys so much if you did watch this video. We have a lot more projects coming up, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this content, and yeah, see you in the next one.